Welcome, in front of me is a Kruger&Matz Move 8, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos and videos from the device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the file app, which is right here for me. And from here, once you scroll down, you'll have your internal storage and your SD card. So let me actually go back and capture some photos so I have something to move. Okay. So from here, let's go to the internal storage, which will probably be the location where the photos are located. And photos and videos captured with the device should be under the DCIM folder. Then you have a folder called Pictures. You should find screenshots and stuff like that in there. And Downloads should be another folder where you can find anything that you have downloaded from the web. So I'm gonna go to DCIM and Camera, and I have the two photos that I have captured here. So you have to select them. So you select the first image by just holding it, and then the rest you can just tap on it, like I would do right now. And if you have an entire folder that you want to move full of photos, you don't have to actually select each individual photo. You can actually go back to the folder itself. Just let me go. And you can just select the entire folder like so. So once it's selected, tap on the drop down here, and you can either choose copy or move, whichever one suits you. I'm gonna move it, and once you tap on it, it brings you up with a pop-up where you can move it. So internal storage, that's where the images came from right now, and SD card is where I want to move it. So I'm gonna choose SD card. It's gonna give me basically folders that are on there, and from here I can create a new folder if I wish to, or drop it just immediately there. So just tap on allow. And if you want to drop it without actually creating a folder, there's a button below to move it here. But as an example, I'm just creating a folder. I'm gonna call it the same as the previous one, where it came from. So I'm gonna name it and then move it here. And now you can see that this is where the photos were previously. If I can actually go back. There we go. So I can now go back to the SD card, and I should find my photos right here. So that is how you would move photos, videos, or well, any kind of other file. It works the same way for anything. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.